We buy whatever is the best quality in the markets that day to give to our customers. For our Asian vegetables, we dig them out of the ground the night before they're in the shops. Doesn't get any fresher than that. Scott is a bull in a china shop. He won't let anything get in his way.
He's always having a laugh, but he's like a bull. If he doesn't understand something, he'll keep coming back. So he continually drives things, which is great. That's what you actually want in a buyer, I think.
Scott likes using technology to make his life easier so he can focus on the value-added parts of his job. So whether it's putting in automatic reordering systems for more of his range or doing margin analysis to make sure that he understands if he's making money and where he's making money.
Being agile and nimble is very important to us, so we react quickly to the environments we're in, and that could be promotions that are being offered by our competitors. So you're working close in my particular role in dairy, working directly with farmers, so that's exciting.
We have got an amazing range that I don't think anybody else carries the breadth, where we will support the farmers and range every kind of variety that we possibly can and make sure that we almost exclusively buy Australian. For meat, we've got a new campaign called Curious Cuts that deals with nose to tail, trying to introduce people to different cuts of meat that they wouldn't normally have. And a lot of the time it's cheaper.
We're a bit of a niche company, so we can actually offer these unique products. It gives the consumer the ability to purchase quality products, go home, cook it up, have their family and friends over, and the experience is there. And that's why we get that return customer and that loyalty in terms of people coming back all the time because they know they're going to get fresh produce. Qlik is a quite easy application. It's off the shelf. You just throw some data at it and you can start doing some analytical models. Luckily, we have the data warehouse behind it, so we have that data model. We're very rich in terms of the channels we have, so we've got rich in data. We just needed a tool.
Our main computer system is based on Microsoft, so it's Microsoft Dynamics NAV ERP. And then we have a lot of data analytics to actually get that understanding of our customer. So based off a Microsoft data warehouse, we then run Qlik to actually give us some deep dive analytics. It's very interactive. Scott's been instrumental in helping us set it up so that he can follow a story. So if he comes to me and says, Simon, my margin's low in yogurt, well, we can help him follow that through.
There'll be products that probably haven't been performing as well as we thought, and it could be because we're throwing out too much of it and we haven't been measuring that, and we think they're sales but they're not.
So they're actually being able to see data in a way they haven't been able to see before. That opens up a lot of avenues for looking at profitability and margin lossing in these different ways, especially in buying teams. We're starting to see the platform evolve. They're actually driving change to get their own perspective, their own personal perspective. Our data's real time, so we can actually have people looking at their systems and clicking through from dashboards now to quite granular data.
We can look at basket penetration, which is very important, and even though your sales may be up as we're growing, your penetration rates may be down, so you still may have an issue there, and it makes you aware of that.
Qlik's added that extra dimension for what we can do in terms of visual analytics. It's a real-time system. It's in memory, so it's a lot faster. We're getting a lot more people using the system because of that. The value it adds to the user is phenomenal because all the data's in one spot now.
What I love, and I think our customers love, is the vibrancy of the range that we have. You walk in and the presentation is all done so the colours just look spectacular. It's plentiful, it's fresh, it smells amazing. People love touching, smelling, tasting fresh food. And so we'll build our retail experience and make sure that that is the best place in the world to shop.